it's special to me. This place is special to me, and I know that it's special to a lot of other people as well. And what it does, it holds the water when we get floods and lots of rain, and then it also cleans the water before it discharges into our coastal creeks.
I remember way back with one of the big fires that went through, I thought that's the end of the wetlands, you know, it's gone.
This is all the understory is recovering well.
Look at this, beautiful swamp banks here.
Like a little nest themselves, and then is that what it is? Yeah, do you want to have a look at it off it? Yeah, you can just see a whole
In one day we counted 10, and we always see the babies and the joeys and
bringing nature back and new things just seem to flourish.
Well, it's for you know, it's for our future generation, for my grandkids.
and provided it's not too bad.
It's changing the landscape. So we're going from a bearish landscape to a landscape full of lots of koala food trees with koalas using them. Yay!
We can ensure that our future generations here on the Tweed Coast can enjoy this iconic Australian marsupial.
We were actually horrified that they ended up on the endangered list.
The Tweed Valley is the second highest biodiversity in Australia, and it certainly has the highest number of endangered animals in Australia.
Just creating that linkage that's vital for not only koalas but other fauna to move through.
And I say this to my grandchildren, that it's not an option to do nothing, doing something. And if we all feel that way, well then it grows from there.
We're standing in a place that contains a midden site, and it's a good sized midden. The size of it indicates that there was a good population of Aboriginal people around here. Everything you need to survive in those traditional times is here. Food source, you got tool making resources here, you got ceremonial sites here.
And this was just a big grassed paddock. I guess originally it would have been cattle grazing, and what we did, probably I think it was about 2,000 trees in here. It's about 5 or 6 years old now, and it was done with community members, but using the 2 primary koala food trees, so the swamp mahogany and the forest red gum, but then planted with a whole heap of other species native to this area to increase the biodiversity a bit, so really trying to recreate koala habitat. I love the habitat that it provides. I love the variety of vegetation types and how it changes. It changes over the years. I love the colours. I love that it's right on the back doorstep of where we live, and yet it's a little bit hidden.
Now to have it in community ownership is just, you know, probably one of the best things I feel that can happen even in my lifetime. You know, it's just great to have it conserved.